Ever seen those crazy videos promising you'll be a millionaire within a week? I mean, come on, really? We're here to break it down, for real, and give you some solid tips on how people make money with AI so that you can too. We're not assuming that everyone has experience with AI. So in this section, we'll look at a few simple ways on how to get started, but maybe not in ways you might expect. And in the last section, we'll share with you the fastest emerging online business in the world right now. Tools like ChatGPT and DALL-E are some of the best AI tools out there. They're user-friendly and anyone can use them, including beginners. But if you really want to make money with AI, you need to go way deeper. Are you here to make money? First up, content creation. One of the most common and straightforward strategies for making money online is content creation. However, to get a consistent source of money, you've got to produce original and compelling content constantly, and that's time-consuming. However, drawing, researching, and brainstorming can all be streamlined with the help of tools powered by AI. AI tools like ChatGPT or generative AI that can generate content that can be formatted in various ways, such as a blog post, an Instagram caption, or a YouTube script. You're only required to input a descriptive prompt, and the application will automatically generate the content for you. If you decide that you do not like the content, ChatGPT can recreate it according to your specifications. And there are many new AI tools out there like Google Bard, which can do exactly the same thing. You can also augment the aesthetic appeal of your blog entries by incorporating computer-generated artwork from services such as DALL-E. This is a great choice for people who don't have the funds to hire a professional artist, but still desire a straightforward image, quickly. However, what most people don't know is that human editing and moderation are recommended for any AI-generated content. Make sure you examine the content for accuracy before publishing it so that you can guarantee the information you provide to your readers is correct and trustworthy. So we don't advise only using ChatGPT or AI tools like it, but it's still a great place to start. Hey team, please remember to hit that subscribe button and leave us a comment like, "I subscribed," and we'll do our best to get back to you. Having your own website gives you a lot of opportunities to make money online. If you're interested in selling things online, monetizing content through online advertising, or participating in an affiliate program, having a website is an excellent way to reach more potential customers online. The rapid development of artificial intelligence has made it so much easier to construct a website and generate income from it, regardless of your level of expertise. AI website builders are now available, and many of them feature AI-powered tools that simplify the process of constructing your website. So you need to be checking out the AI heat map function included in hosting your website builder. It's designed to assist users in determining which aspects of their websites are most likely to draw the attention of website visitors. Hostinger has one of the top AI tools to help you optimize your websites. You can also construct a website with ChatGPT, which will provide various suggestions for the website's layout, design, and function. You don't even need to know how to use AI. A series of prompts will get you up and running in no time. Use AI to assist you with freelance coding. If freelance coding interests you, you could consider leveraging AI tools to make money. Top AI tools like ChatGPT use natural language processing, or NLP, as the foundation of its artificial intelligence system, which can assist you in significantly shortening traditionally lengthy coding job. The often time-consuming process of code documentation can be greatly facilitated by using software that's powered by NLP. It has the ability to generate documentation automatically depending on the comments you make, or the natural language descriptions of the code. Also, when trying to fix issues that have been introduced into their applications, software developers frequently need to search for code snippets from libraries. The use of artificial intelligence makes it simpler to obtain recommendations for how to solve problems. In addition, the NLP technology can assist in analyzing and examining your code comments, with the goal of locating potential problems or places for improved development. Number 4. Sign up to be an affiliate of an AI product. Participating in an affiliate program for an AI product can be another way to make money with AI. You might sell items and services associated with artificial intelligence technology, such as deep learning software, cloud-based infrastructure solutions, or data analytics tools. Joining an affiliate program will allow you to capitalize on current market trends and turn them into a source of revenue for your business. You'll usually get access to valuable resources provided by the organization, such as those related to marketing, support from customer service representatives, and even discounts on products. These tools can help you maximize the effectiveness of your promotional efforts and connect with a wider audience. It's all about the numbers. But what if we could show you how to take your AI knowledge to the next level and earn seriously big with AI? Make sure to watch right through for tips that could just elevate your thinking and your bank balance. But guys, quick ask to subscribe so we can continue sharing AI content with you. First up, develop and sell products powered by artificial intelligence. Considering the rising need for artificial intelligence-based solutions, it may be a fruitful strategy to create AI-based goods, then market and sell them. You won't have to develop your own machine learning algorithms if you take advantage of existing ones. Instead, you should think about utilizing an API that's freely open to the public. To develop your product, you can use various APIs such as the Google Cloud AI platform, which offers a set of machine learning capabilities that developers may use to create intelligent applications. Functionality such as speech-to-text conversion, natural language processing, translation, and vision are included in these services. There's also OpenAI, which is preloaded with many language models that may be used for translating, creating text and graphics, and other tasks. Each instance of AI operates uniquely, and some API may need additional training data to increase their accuracy for particular use cases. The amount of data that's required will vary depending on the API that's being utilized. Reviewing the API documentation and putting the tool through its paces using your unique use case are just two approaches to figuring out whether or not you require more training data. Offer AI integration services. Machine learning and AI automation services can be beneficial to a wide variety of businesses, including retail, healthcare, and finance, amongst others. If you have an in-depth grasp of the technology, giving services to businesses that need AI integration could be a lucrative way for you to make money using AI. You can also help boost business intelligence and analytics capabilities with the help of AI tools. For instance, companies that run online marketing efforts rely on having an insight into the behavior of their client. You have the ability to boost consumer and market pattern recognition as well as trend detection by integrating AI predictive analytics into the system. An agency could also use NLP models to analyze client evaluations and feedback to detect recurring topics. Doing so can help them write advertising text that responds to their target audience's requirements and difficulties. Retail businesses could use machine learning to develop chatbots to be used in their customer support channels. You can teach the AI to recognize keywords in communications from customers and deliver responses drawn from a predefined library of queries that are most frequently requested. In addition, you should think about integrating recommendation algorithms. These algorithms use customer data to make product suggestions pertinent to those customers' purchase history, search history, and other preferences. Invest in companies or funds focused on artificial intelligence. You know the script, right? Poor people save, rich people invest. Well, one alternative to starting your own venture is to invest in a company that focuses on artificial intelligence. This one's for anyone that already has some funds and is considering an investment opportunity. An ever-growing number of artificial intelligence tech firms are emerging, and to thrive, they require financial backing. In the long run, investors stand to benefit from the proliferation of technologies that use artificial intelligence in positive ways. In addition, the diversification benefits these investments can provide may help lower overall risk. Before investing in AI tech, you should definitely ensure that you've done all your necessary research. There's no guarantee that investing in a business or purchasing a product simply because it utilizes AI will result in a profitable financial outcome. Spend some time conducting a thorough examination of the business and the services. Next up is a sector that's seriously blowing up right now, and we mean big time bang. Developing online courses is a great way to establish yourself as an authority in your profession and a fantastic method for generating income. With the assistance of AI software, it's now possible to improve how you display and sell your lessons to attract more consumers. For instance, if you want to develop a self-development course, you might want to think about using ChatGPT to gather information on the most effective methods for delivering that type of content so that you can get to your ideal students. After that, the AI tool will provide suggestions for the subjects and contents. In addition, AI software allows you to generate appealing marketing texts that convey one-of-a-kind value propositions to buyers, which assists you in selling the courses over the internet, which is one of the best and easiest ways to earn money with AI. You could get started on this today. What's stopping you? Please subscribe, guys, and we'll share more AI content with you.